Today's content reveals iPhone 17 Air leaks, 24 megapixel tough front camera, and ultra-slim design. The thinnest iPhone ever? Apple fans have always anticipated each new iPhone with excitement, and the upcoming iPhone 17 Air is no different. Recent leaks and rumors have sparked discussions about some transformative changes in this new iteration. It appears that Apple is ready to shake things up once again with a significant redesign and features that will make the iPhone 17 Air stand out, possibly replacing the iPhone Plus series altogether. If you're curious about what's coming, we've broken down all the key elements, from the 24MP front camera to the ultra-slim profile. A bold new redesign? The slimmest iPhone ever? Apple hasn't introduced a substantial redesign in its iPhone lineup for quite some time, so the buzz surrounding the iPhone 17 Air is understandable. The biggest rumor is that this phone will measure just 5 millimeters in thickness, making it the thinnest iPhone to date. That's thinner than the current iPhone 16 Pro Max, which stands at 8.25 mm. The slim profile is inspired by Apple's iPad Pro series, particularly the 11-inch model that measures 5.3 meters, and the 13-inch model at a mere 5.1 millimeters. While some might worry that going ultra-thin will come at the expense of performance, Apple appears to have engineered the iPhone 17 Air to strike a balance between style and substance. The ultralight design is intended to offer a device that's not only beautiful, but also practical, making it extremely portable for users who prefer a sleek, minimalistic phone without excess bulk. Promotion comes to the iPhone 17 Air, a game-changer for display technology. One of the more exciting rumors is the inclusion of Apple's ProMotion technology in the iPhone 17 Air. ProMotion, which provides a 120Hz refresh rate, has previously been exclusive to Pro models. This change would mark a significant upgrade in the standard iPhone models, offering smoother scrolling, seamless gaming, and an overall more responsive user interface. Renowned display expert Ross Young has backed this rumor, which means we can expect a leap forward in display quality. Additionally, Apple may incorporate an always-on display feature, which has only been available on Pro models in the past. This means users will be able to check basic information like the time or notifications without needing to fully activate their phone screen. For those who prioritize display quality, this is an exciting leap forward. A compact display size without compromise. Size-wise, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to sport a 6.55-inch display, slightly smaller than the 6.7-inch screen found in the iPhone 16 Plus. While this reduction may seem minimal, it will likely make the phone feel more compact and easier to handle. In comparison, the standard iPhone 17 may feature a 6.3-inch display, giving users a bit more variety in terms of size.